फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, कल रात तुम कहाँ थे? वेयर वर यू लास्ट नाइट? वेयर वर यू लास्ट नाइट? मैंने इसे अखबार में पढ़ा। आई रीड इट इन द न्यूज़पेपर। आई रीड इट इन द न्यूज़पेपर। तुमने ये कहाँ से खरीदा? वेयर डिड यू बाय दिस फ्रॉम? वेयर डिड यू बाय दिस फ्रॉम? वो आज क्यों नहीं आया? Why didn't he come today? Why didn't he come today? मुझे नहीं पता कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया। I don't know why she did this. I don't know why she did this. उसने कुछ नहीं खाया। He didn't eat anything. He didn't eat anything. उसने पानी भी नहीं पिया। He didn't even drink water. He didn't even drink water. मैं यहाँ किसी को नहीं जानता। I don't know anyone here. I don't know anyone here. मुझे पता है उसका प्लान क्या है। I know what his plan is. I know what his plan is. उसने नौकरी क्यों छोड़ी? Why did she quit the job? Why did she quit the job? आज तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों हो? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? उसे मत बताना कि ये मैंने किया। Don't tell him I did it. Don't tell him I did it. क्या तुमने मेरी कलम ली? Did you take my pen? Did you take my pen? तुमने मेरी कलम कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep my pen? Where did you keep my pen? तुमने उस पैसे का क्या किया? What did you do with that money? What did you do with that money? मैं 5 मिनट में वहां पहुंच जाऊंगा। I will be there in 5 minutes. मुझे उसका बात करने का तरीका पसंद नहीं है। I don't like the way he talks. I don't like the way he talks. क्या वो वहां जा रहे हैं? Are they going there? Are they going there? क्या कल रात तुम अच्छे से सोई? Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? आपने धूम्रपान कब छोड़ा? When did you quit smoking? When did you quit smoking? किस तरह का संगीत तुम्हें पसंद है? What type of music do you like? What type of music do you like? इसमें सिर्फ 10 मिनट लगेंगे। It will only take 10 minutes. It will only take 10 minutes. तुम ये कैसे जानते हो? How do you know that? How do you know that? वह उसके साथ नहीं गया। He didn't go with her. He didn't go with her. वे लोग यहाँ कब आएंगे? When will they come here? When will they come here? जो तुम्हें ठीक लगे वही करो। Do what you think is right. Do what you think is right. उनसे बात करना बेकार है। It's useless to talk to them. It's useless to talk to them. उससे मिलना बेकार है। It's useless to meet him. It's useless to meet him. संदेह की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है। There is no room for doubt. There is no room for doubt. इस फोटो में ये कौन है? Who is this in this photo? Who is this in this photo? वो उनके पीछे पीछे पहुंच गया। He reached after them. He reached after them. मैं आज थोड़ी देर से उठा। I wake up a little late today. I wake up a little late today. वो मेरी तरफ आ रहा है। He is coming towards me. He is coming towards me. दरवाजा खुला मत छोड़ना। Don't leave the door open. Don't leave the door open. तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? हाउ मच मनी डू यू हैव? हाउ मच मनी डू यू हैव? हमेशा की तरह वह 5 मिनट देर से पहुंचा। एज यूजुअल ही अराइव्ड 5 minutes लेट। उससे कहो कि सुबह मिले। टेल हिम टू मीट इन द मॉर्निंग। टेल हिम टू मीट इन द मॉर्निंग। इसे उतारकर साड़ी पहन लो। टेक इट ऑफ एंड वियर साड़ी। टेक इट ऑफ एंड वियर साड़ी। हम उसे अस्पताल ले जा रहे हैं। वी आर टेकिंग हर टू द हॉस्पिटल। वी आर टेकिंग हर टू द हॉस्पिटल। तुमको उससे बात करनी चाहिए। यू शुड टॉक टू हर। यू शुड टॉक टू हर। क्या अब हमें वहां जाना चाहिए? शुड वी गो दियर नाउ? शुड वी गो दियर नाउ? क्या आप कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते? डू यू नेवर टेल अ लाई? डू यू नेवर टेल अ लाई? आइए देखें क्या हो रहा है। लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। तुमने उसे जाने क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you let him go? Why didn't you let him go? क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ पैसे हैं? Do you have any money? Do you have any money? क्या तुमको ड्राइव करना आता है? Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? आप यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? वो लोग आपसे झूठ बोल रहे हैं। They are lying to you. They are lying to you. मैं कुछ घंटों में वापस आऊंगा। I will come back in hours. I will come back in hours. क्या तुम जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? बिजली चली गई। The power went off. The power went off. आपके लिए एक अच्छी खबर है। There is good news for you. There is good news for you. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई ये कहने की? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? वह आपकी तरह दिखता है। He looks like you. He looks like you. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह आएगी। I don't think she will come. I don't think she will come. मैं यहाँ 6 महीने तक रहूँगा। I will stay here for 6 months. I will stay here for 6 months. उससे दोबारा बात मत करना। Don't talk to her again. Don't talk to her again. इसके बारे में दोबारा बात मत करना। Don't talk about it again. Don't talk about it again. मुझे गलत मत समझो। Don't get me wrong, please. Don't get me wrong, please. मुझे अपना काम करने दो। Let me do my work. Let me do my work. उसने मेरा अपमान किया है। He has insulted me. He has insulted me. आप वहां कब जाएंगे? When will you go there? When will you go there? यहाँ क्या चल रहा है? What's going on here? What's going on here? क्या आप उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? उसके साथ खिलवाड़ मत करो। Don't mess with her. Don't mess with her. ये किस समय हुआ? At what time did it happen? At what time did it happen? उसका अच्छे से ख्याल रखना। Take good care of her. Take good care of her. तुमको ऐसा करने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। You've no right to do that. You've no right to do that. तुम बाहर क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing outside? Why are you standing outside? उसने तुमसे क्या कहा? What did he say to you? What did he say to you? वो गणित में बहुत अच्छी है। She is excellent at math. She is excellent at math. उससे ज़्यादा इंतजार मत करवाओ। Don't keep him waiting long. Don't keep him waiting long. क्या तुम्हारे पास इससे सस्ता कुछ है? Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? कुछ हद तक तुम सही हो। To some extent you are right. To some extent you are right. एक तरह से आपने अच्छा किया। In a way you did well. In a way you did well. मुझे आने में 5 मिनट लगेगा। It will take me 5 minutes to come. अगला है, वो जरूर खेल रहा होगा। He must be playing. He must be playing. वह तुम्हारा फायदा उठा रहा है। He is taking advantage of you. He is taking advantage of you. आप खुद वो क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you do that yourself? Why don't you do that yourself? मैं इसे खुद नहीं कर सकता। I can't do this myself. I can't do this myself. गलती उसकी नहीं है। The fault is not hers. The fault is not hers. सभी को एक मौका मिलेगा। Everyone will get a chance. Everyone will get a chance. मुझे नहीं पता कि आगे क्या हुआ। I don't know what happened next. I don't know what happened next. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have done this. You shouldn't have done this. तुम्हें उसकी चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है। You need not worry about him. You need not worry about him. तुम सिर्फ उसके बारे में सोचते हो। You only think of herself. You only think of herself. तुम आज रात यहीं क्यों नहीं रुक जाते? Why don't you stay here tonight? Why don't you stay here tonight? उसका बाहर जाना जरूरी है। It's important for him to go out. It's important for him to go out. वह मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनता? Why doesn't he listen to me? Why doesn't he listen to me? मैं उसके बारे में सब कुछ जानता हूँ। I know everything about her. I know everything about her. मैं उसे जिंदगी भर नहीं भूल सकता। I can't forget him throughout my life. I can't forget him throughout my life. तुम्हें उस पर भरोसा करना होगा। You'll have to trust him. You'll have to trust him. अब मैंने अपना सारा काम खत्म कर लिया है। Now I have finished all my work. Now I have finished all my work. तुमको वहां जाने के लिए किसने कहा? Who told you to go there? Who told you to go there? तुमको यहाँ आने के लिए किसने कहा? Who told you to come here? Who told you to come here? मैंने इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत की। I worked so hard for this. I worked so hard for this. ऐसी फिल्में मत देखा करो। Don't watch such movies. Don't watch such movies. आज नाश्ते में क्या है? What's for breakfast today? What's for breakfast today? वो शादी नहीं करना चाहती। She doesn't want to get married. She doesn't want to get married. मैं किसी से नहीं मिल सकता। I couldn't meet anyone. I couldn't meet anyone. उन्होंने हमारी मदद नहीं की. They didn't help us. They didn't help us. ये दवा काफी बेहतर है. This medicine is much better. This medicine is much better. हम एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते. We doesn't talk to each other. We doesn't talk to each other. मेरे गले में खराश है. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. तुमने उस दिन क्या कहा था? Why did you say that day? Why did you say that day? ये कुछ दिनों की बात है. It's a matter of a few days. It's a matter of a few days. वो लोग कब वापस आएंगे? When will they return? When will they return? अगला है, क्या मैं तुम्हें बेवकूफ दिखता हूँ? Do I look like a fool to you? Do I look like a fool to you? मैं उसे समझा दूंगा. I'll make him understand. I'll make him understand. तुमने अपने बालों में तेल क्यों नहीं लगाया? Why didn't you oil your hair? Why didn't you oil your hair? मुझे इसका कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I've no regrets about it. I've no regrets about it. क्या तुम्हारे पास उसका नंबर है? Do you have her number? Do you have her number? तुझे मार खानी है क्या? Do you want a beating? Do you want a beating? So that's for the today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोज मिलती रहेगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग.